Business, management, AI, programming all in one course sounds a bit complicated.
Not really. What if you could combine business knowledge with technology shaping the future? I am Pujita and I study business informatics at Wrocław University of Economics and Business. Business informatics connects two worlds, business and technology. During my studies, I learned how to analyze business problems and transform them into digital solutions that help organizations work smarter and work efficiently. What I enjoy most is the practical approach. We work with modern technologies, including AI-based solutions, data visualization tools, and software development environments that are used in today's businesses. Another advantage is the close cooperation with industry professionals through guest lectures and practical projects. We gain experience that reflects real market needs and current business challenges. Graduates can pursue career as business analytics, data analytics, IT project managers, AI and digital transformation specialists, or IT consultants. Studying in an international environment gives us the opportunity to collaborate with people from different backgrounds while preparing for a global job market. If you want to bridge the gap between business and technology and build a career in one of the fastest growing digital economy, business informatics is the perfect place to start. Level up your future. Wrocław University of Economics and Business inspires development.